Ratefy admin is with you at every step of your journey on ratefy.co. So in this video, I want to show you 3 ways or 3 places you can chat with admin on Ratefy. So let's dive right in. So right from your landing page, this is how you can chat Ratefy admin. So you can use the chat widget right here. You can just click it and type whatever question you have or inquiry you have, and the admin will receive it. As I'm an admin, and you can see that I got the alert right here instantly. So that's how it works for that. So other ways you can chat the admin hub is you have to log in if you have an account with us. So maybe from your dashboard, so you log in, or if you have an account you can sign up, then you'll be able to chat the admin from the order page. Let's say you place an order which is real, maybe you want to exchange and you're waiting inside the order. So after opening your order, so you can chat the admin right here, and this chat system is actually dedicated for your order. So anything you say here will be about the order, or if you have any inquiry about your transaction. So, and the admin will get the message. So another way you can chat the admin is here. So to redirect you to WhatsApp. That's the third method. And you can also chat the admin using chat@ratefy.co. chat@ratefy.co. You can send an email to the admin. So those are the methods you can use to chat the admin. So thanks for watching. Bye.